Hello everyone. Today I will give you a brief knowledge about volatility. Volatility is a measure of how much the price of an asset fluctuates over a period of time. It is typically measured by the standard deviation of the asset returns. High volatility means that the price is likely to fluctuate widely, while low volatility means that the price is going to remain constant. Volatility can be measured for any asset, but it is most commonly used in financial market to measure the volatility of stock, bonds, and currencies. Volatility is also used in other industries such as energy and agriculture to measure the prices of commodity. Volatility can be caused by a number of factors, including news events, economic data releases, and change in investor sentiment. Volatility can have both positive and negative implications for the investors. On the other hand, volatility can create opportunity for investors to make profits by buying or selling assets at the right time. On the other hand, volatility can also lead to losses if investors are not so careful. Here are some examples of volatility in different markets. Stock market. Stock prices can fluctuate widely on a daily basis due to news events, economic data releases, and change in investor sentiment. Bond market. The bond market is generally less volatile than the stock market. Bond prices can fluctuate significantly, especially for bonds issued by the companies or governments with high level of debts. Currency market. Currency exchange rates can fluctuate widely on daily basis due to change in economic conditions and central bank policies. Volatility is a complex topic and it is important for investors to understand the risk involved before investing in any asset.